Como soa o inglês para quem não fala inglês?
In the glimmerling shillite of the Grintide's flow looms, Brendlequas and flusterings splay the Vissel sky embark. Wimlery whisters through the lenthery flows, skimmeling the brain as twilbulls and cransportling the creveling depths of the undervale. Yawn strapling Lathristless, the misliden Devlore and the plimp-plamp of rain-told strollies. Wistlingley. By the boulder-quash nigh the glentree, Twindlehums and Frotherlands play their jappalus trisk. Sprelly and splinterly, their quickets lark in the vesper while. O sweet mortherly of wistful brells, how splendry your yarn draps felter, suffusing the air nook with driblets and dribbles of somberlith. Neath the moon's glistening smirkite, the ever-whiffs of the lengthane tune their stelloids. Fiendly vapors and larm and twirl and twink in the scintillate dew. Drems fluster the darblins, mingling with troves of nebulous reavers, and the tharpla clasp of nights embracing. Ah, the ever-whirl of these tempting clims, where the marby skillums weave a tapestry of Eltherin hoos, and Twilitsum breath heralds the softest of Dortlands. Will you wanly the brumous paths, where wisps halt and frumither into a creel of mithy mists? Dare you plander into the shimmerous inkling of stardust riddles?